I've got the LED light strip from Lepro, $24.99, 3 meters long, connect it to an app. I've been quite excited to get this. Okay, so that's it there. What else is in the box? This was a free sample, but this is what you would get. So there's the little, that's the thing that you stick on the wall. If you didn't know, this is very similar to how they make neon signs. So you can make your own neon sign. You can basically shape it into whatever shape you want. Let's plug it in, turn it on. There is an app, I've already downloaded it. So we'll get it, it'll get it up and running. Right, there we go. It goes into pairing mode. So I'm gonna leave it rolled up. I'm just gonna connect it to the app. Add now. Oh, look, it's a rainbow. God, you can't see that very well on camera. Hang on, let me show you. Look, it's like a snaky rainbow. Right, okay, so I'm gonna unravel it. That's cool, isn't it? Can you see it now? It's reflecting too much on the camera. There you go, you can see now, there you go. Right. So, I've unraveled this. It is pretty thick, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh. Imagine that under a counter. I have to admit, it's good quality. Like, it's really good, sturdy quality. Look at that. That's cool. Oh, there you go. Got your colours. You see that? So it's 3 meters in total. And then on here, in the little bag, so there it is there. You can obviously shape it into whatever you want. There's clips with either stickers or screws. So that clip clips on, excuse me, onto the back. So you can then attach it wherever you want to attach it. But that is, let me turn the camera around. This is like a blush pink at the moment. I'm going to pop it next to here so you can see. So I've got like a blush pink. Then I'm going to just change the colour. As you can see, you can change the intensity of the colour. Up like that. And then you can put it on lots of different settings. Now you can, let me just check, is it that one? There's a way of, that's going back. You can reset it so it just goes back to rainbow. If I click reset, it goes back to rainbow. And I can click gradient or left. There you go. This is the quality of it. That's the end cap. Pretty thick, as you can see. Lovely. And then there's the switch there. What did I say they were? Was it $24.99? There you go. 5-star review. Yeah, that is good for the summer. Well, it's good for the winter anytime, innit? But that's cool. Right, I'm going to roll this back up because I'm going to put this in the new house and we're going to find somewhere for this to go. Might even put it under my counters in my new kitchen. That'd be cool, wouldn't it? Might have to buy another one. I might buy another one. It's only 3 meters. I'm trying to work out where I'd need it. Yeah. That's cool.